Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise 1.2, question number 1, part 7. The given equation is called reciprocal equation, and such type of equation can be solved by, suppose this is equal to, by taking this is equal to y. Let x plus 1 by x equals to y. Squaring both sides, we get x plus 1 by x whole square y square. Here we get, expand the square, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 times x into 1 by x equals to y square. This x cancel with this, we get x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 equals to y square. Shift 2 to the right side, so we get x square plus 1 by x square equals to y square minus 2. Now here put y and here put y square minus 2. So the given equation become 3 into y square minus 2 minus 16y plus 26 equals to 0. Now multiply this 3 here, 3y square minus 3 times 2 minus 6 minus 16y plus 26 equals to 0. Further simplify it, we get 3y square minus 16y, 26 minus 6, we get 20 equals to 0. Now split this linear term in such two terms that we get minus 16 from their addition and 20 times 3 60 from their multiplication. So we can write it y square minus 6y minus 10y plus 20 equals to 0. Take 3y common, here we get y minus 2, and take minus 10 common from these two terms, we get y minus 2 equals to 0. Check this, 3y into y we get 3y square, and 3y into minus 2 we get minus 6y, minus 10 into y we get minus 10y, and minus 10 into minus 2 we get plus 20. Now take y minus 2 common from these two terms, so here remains 3y minus 10, and the product of both is 0. We will take y minus 2 equals to 0 and 3y minus 10 equals to 0. Because the product of these two is equal to 0, so this may be 0 or this may be 0, so we take both equals to 0. Shift this 2 to the right side, so we get here it plus 2, and shift this minus 10 to the right side, we get hit 10. Now here divide both sides by 3, 3y divided by 3, 10 divided by 3, 3 cancel with 3, we get here 10 divided by 3. Now we will put the value of y which we have supposed here, x plus 1 by x, and then we will solve it. So x plus 1 by x equals to 2 and x plus 1 by x equals to 10 by 3. Now multiply both sides of this equation by x, so we get here x into x plus x into 1 by x equals to x into 2. This x cancel with this, so we get here x square plus 1 equals to 2x. Shift this 2x to the left side, so it becomes minus 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Now factorize it. How? we can write it x square minus x plus 1 equals to 0. Minus x we get minus 2x. So take x common from here, we get x minus 1, and minus 1 common from here, we get x minus 1. Now take x minus 1 common, we get x minus 1 equals to 0. So x minus 1 equals to 0 and x minus 1 equals to 0. X equals to 1, x equals to 1. So here the same root we get 1 1. So this is unique. Now look here, multiplying both sides by 3x. 3x into x plus 3x into 1 over x equals to 3x into 10 divided by 3. This 3 cancel with this 3. Here x cancel with this. We get 3x square plus here we get 3 equals to here we get 10x. Shift this 10x to the left side. So we can write 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equals to 0. Now split this linear term in such two terms. By adding with we get minus 10 and by multiplying with we get 3 times 3 9. So we can write it 3x square minus 9x minus x plus 3 equals to 0. Take 3x common here, we get x minus 3, and take minus 1 common here. From these two terms we get x minus 3 equals to 0. So take x minus 3 common here, we get 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Now take x minus 3 equals to 0 and 3x minus 1 equals to 0. Shift this 3 to the right side, we get here 3, and shift this minus 1 to the right side, it will become plus 1. Now divide both sides by 3. This 3 cancel with this 3. We get here x equals to 1 by 3. Now look, the solution set is 1 by 3, 1 and 3. Now look at part 9. Part 8 is your homework. Try it by yourself. We will take this x minus 1 over x equals to y. So let solution, let y equals to x minus 1 by x, squaring both sides. So y square equals to x minus 1 by x square, we get y square. Here x square plus 1 by x square minus 2 x into 1 by x. This x cancel with this. Here remains x square plus 1 by x square minus 2. Shift this 2 to the left side, so it will become plus 2 equals to x square plus 1 by x square. Now we will put here in the given equation y square plus 2 on place of x square plus 1 by x square and y on place of x minus 1 by x. So the given equation will become y square plus 2 minus y minus 4 equals to 0. Now we will solve it. Here we get y square minus y minus 4 plus 2, we get minus 2 equals to 0. We will split this term in such two terms, you know. So it will become y square minus 2y plus y minus 2 equals to 0. Look at here, minus 2y plus y we get minus y, and minus 2 into y we get minus 2y square, which we get from the product of minus 2 and y square. So take y common here, so here remains y minus 2, and 1 common here, here remains 1 y minus 2. Now take y minus 2 common, so here we get y plus 1 equals to 0. Now take these two factors separately equals to 0, y minus 2 equals to 0 and y plus 1 equals to 0. So shift this minus 2 to the right side, it become plus 2, and this one become minus 1. Now put the value of y, which is x plus 1 by x equals to 2, and here x plus 1 by x equals to minus 1. Sorry, we have supposed here x minus 1 by x, so it will x minus 1 by x, and it will x minus 1 by x. Now multiplying both sides by x here, so here we get x into x minus x into 1 by x equals to x into 2, and here x into x minus x into 1 by x, x into minus 1. So here this x cancel with this, we get x square minus 1 equals to 2x, and here this x cancel with this, we get x square minus 1 equals to minus x. Now shift this 2x to the left side, we get x square minus 2x minus 1 equals to 0, and here also shift this x to the left side, so it will become plus x minus 1